My name is Andre Ansar. My NPM is 127011028. Visiting my home. My family living together and have a house in Parung Pantai. If you want go to my house, you can use a transportation, use a motorcycle with a speed within 50 km per hour to arrive there about 5 minutes. If if you go to my home, you can to feel a natural surrounding with a very natural. Because others say here is Hamlet village, but I am not ever feel neglect. My home have a yellow and green wall, but the green wall domination color, and my home have a single phase, but now under construction. Because I I can describe a phase of my home, but I can describe thing the surrounding my home. There is a bean plant in front of my home. Cause my grandmother liking a planting some table. Beside my home, I can see neighbor, and beside my home is a garden. The reason make me pleasant to live in my house because it's natural and near with a neighbor. That dominate that dominate my kind. But sometimes I was gram because far from a city and can buy some requirement needed like this homework. I can I can print this homework by immediately uh, because my home also far from the shop or printing service, and the hardest of it it is it is if the homework is very important immediately. However, I must to be thankful in all of this condition. In okay, I have a memory. Okay, sorry. I have a nice memory of my home when all of my family arrived to my home in Parung Pantai. That is the memory I can forget message a many million recall I will not tell you. Family and assisting my mother asset is the nice memory and new experience for me to grow up and skill in confection. Thanks for watching. Next, Rangga Fitra General.
So, hi, my name is Rangga. I live in Singaparna, west of Tasikmalaya. You will easy to find my house because when you're heading to the west of Tasikmalaya, like 7 or 9 houses before Cikuni Branch, this is my house. That is my house, left side of main road. It is two-story building made by bricks and concrete. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and traditional kitchen. It also has a living room called pendopo. My house is more likely a store than a house. In my opinion, the best place or the best part of my house is the balcony. The balcony is in the second floor, have a good view, especially for relax. I love to enjoy watching sky at the night in the balcony. My house has a worker room, which can use as prayer room. We use for Tarawih together at Ramadan, and I think that is the best memory I can tell you. Next is Riksana.
Okay, hi, my name is Kana Ardianto, and you can call me Riksana. I live in a house on the street, precise on Yamis Kawali Street, and in the front of my house there is the internet cafe, uh, a cliff on the left side, and the right of the neighbor house and the garden at the backyard. That's approximately 10 meters from the main road. My house is made of layer brick with gray paint on outside and brown paint in the inside. Uh, Also white paint for the frame section, and in the front of that there is the fish pond to maintain some coffee fish, ornamental plant, also with the natural atmosphere. And then my favorite room is the family room, where our family can chat, watching TV, and sometimes receive the guests. And there are such a comfortable sofa to enjoy together, and sometimes used for sleeping. And my favorite activity is in this room is when I surf the internet, use the Wi-Fi, and with coffee. Yeah, that's good. And the best moment in this room, I think, uh, I remember when Idul Fitri day, that I had a progress to my parents about my call in 1 year. That's so sadly. Okay, thank you.
Next, Fajar.
Hello, good morning. My name is Fajar Budi Darmawan. You can call me Fajar. My boarding house where I live is located in Cilolahan Street, Tasikmalaya City, West Java Province. It has different safe with outdoor boarding common because my boarding house is like a regular house. My boarding house made by brick and common. The floor is set by ceramic tile and the wall painted with yellow color. What makes me comfort to stay in my boarding house are the size of the room. The room is spacey and cozy. It also has clean water to consume and located in main road near the campus. I was love my boarding house because it always protect me from rain, sun, cold or hail. Unfortunately, sometimes the roof are like if heavy rain happening. Okay, thank you very much. Next,
Eki.
thank you.
Hello, my name is Wirawan. You can call me Meki. I stay in boarding house located in Gobras, 4 kilometers south of Siliwangi University. It is 10 minutes ride by motorcycle from campus. The dormitory painted by orange color. It has a room and 3 bedrooms. They were made by bricks and cement, and the door and window made from wood. In my room, there is a bed, dresser, desk, television, and has lot of pictures. I feel comfort to stay in my room because I love watching television on my bedroom. In my boarding in my boarding house, we play Modo Marble, game online together with my friend. That in one of memorable thing I can remember in my boarding house. Yeah, thank you.
Next,
Next,
Indra Rusmana.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
hello, good morning. My name is
My boarding house, my boarding house located in Asrama Nyantau. It is near Asia Plaza Mall. It is very stylish because surrounded with a lot of office and shopping center. My boarding house is two style
building made of brick and cement. It has many rooms to rent. The doors and windows are made by wood. The best part of my boarding house are is it has a karaoke room, study room, and wider space of living room. I will come come comfort stay in my boarding house. My room mates are willing to help me if I got a problem. We are we are close and sport visit other than why I love stay in my boarding house. Thank you. Next, Sarah Hanje.
Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My house in Kampung Ciwanje, Karanganyar Village, on District Kawalu, Tasikmalaya City. It is near grammar school and next to the barber shop. My house also surrounded by fire, rice, and my house house my grandmother.
You.
My house painted by pink color and the switch are brown color. It is a grassy and garden. The walls are made from brick and cement, but the doors, window, and cabinet made from wood. The best place is my own bedroom and also family room because I was able to relax and rest and can sharing with my parents. My house has four bedrooms, three bedroom, kitchen, family room, garage, living room, dining room, and terrace. The memory of my beautiful house is when Idul Fitri holiday, because at that point I apologized to my parents for the mistake I made also. When my family and friends are arrived, that is the most beautiful moment for me. That's all I can tell about my house.
Okay, that's our group video about describing our place of living. I think it's enough, so I can say goodbye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I live in the city Kertasari, Palembang, Teritorial Ciamis. My house I painted white with brown doors, white window, cabinets, door made of wood, and the ones are made of brick, cement, sand, and water. My best my best place was because of my own room. In my own room can relax, conference, and besides musical inspiration. And me, my house, four bedroom, living room, family room, kitchen, grand garage, and years are ready. Uh, the memory thing in my house is when I celebrated my 17th birthday because it is big party where a lot of my friends were present.
Hi Mama Rini, my name is Arya Suryadwijaya. Here I will tell you the place where I live in Gunung Rai Street. I come the campus on foot about 2 minutes because proximity makes me feel at home here. My drum yellow brown with a parking space in front of him and the den of the bedroom in 2 by 2 meter dormitory is free for the residents. A setting for relation with friends and allows for common text together, as well as beautiful scenery and cool weather. Best memory in my dorm sitting outside with friends and liking together and close space thought.